What's up everyone, this is going to be a super quick SDL2 tutorial showing how to make a simple game loop and get a window to stay open. This is pretty much the first step to making a game with SDL, so it's pretty important. First things first, at the very top we are going to put hashtag include SDL and iOS stream. Next, we're going to make a null window and render and 3 ints. 2 are for setting the window size, and the third is just so I could show you how to change the window color as an example. Next, in our main function, this is where we will put the rest of our code. Now here we create our window and our renderer, and we check if they are null. And this is our game loop. It is literally just a while loop that keeps the program running. Inside the loop, we create an event and use that to check if we have quit the program. And if we have, we break out of the loop. Now render clear, render present, and render draw color help us change the color of our window. And finally, right here, I'm just increasing the value of blue and resetting it if it goes too high. And outside the loop, but still in main, we clean everything up and return 0 to quit the program. And that's all for this tutorial. This is the simplest game loop possible and a good base for you to start learning. And hopefully this helps you, and good luck with whatever you're working on out there.